I spent the last 3 days testing an AI tool that claims it can replace your content workflow completely, from idea to script to content to execution. No team. No experience. But here's the real question: is this actually helpful, or just another AI tool that sounds good but doesn't deliver? In this video, I'll show you exactly what happened when I used MasterMind AI. If you're trying to grow online right now, you already know the hardest part isn't motivation, it's consistency. Because every single day you need new ideas, scripts or captions, content structure, and something that actually works. Most people do this manually, or jump between 5 to 10 different tools. And that creates overwhelm, slow progress, burnout, and eventually, people quit. What people actually want is one system, fast execution, clear direction, repeatable workflow, something that removes thinking and replaces it with action. That's what MasterMind AI is trying to do. So, MasterMind AI is positioned as an all-in-one AI content system. From what I saw on the official sales page, product demo, and a few YouTube reviews, it focuses on helping you generate content ideas, build scripts, structure your content, and stay consistent. Let's go inside and see how it actually performs. Day 1 idea generation. I entered a niche: make money online. The tool generated video topics, angles, hooks. Honestly, this saved a lot of time. Normally this takes 30 to 60 minutes. Here it took less than 5. Day 2 script creation. I selected one idea and generated a script. The output was structured, easy to understand, needed slight editing, but it gave me a solid base. Day 3 execution. Use the script to record content, build a post. The biggest difference? I didn't overthink. I just followed the process. Small Diamond 1. Smart Idea Engine. This is the core strength. It removes the hardest part. What should I create today? Small Diamond 2. Script Builder. Not perfect, but good enough to speed up creation, reduce effort, maintain flow. Small Diamond 3. All-in-one workflow. Instead of using ChatGPT, Notion, script tools, it tries to combine everything. That's useful for beginners. Small Diamond 4. Beginner-friendly UX. No steep learning curve. Everything feels simple. From what I saw across sales page examples, demo walkthrough, other user reviews, the positioning is consistent. This is not a high-end advanced AI system. It's a simplicity-focused tool for execution. And that's actually its strength. Here's what actually matters: faster content creation, less decision fatigue, more consistency, easier entry for beginners. If you're stuck, this helps you move. Now let's talk about what I didn't like. Content is not 100% unique, needs editing, not advanced for scaling teams. You still need strategy. This tool helps you start, but it won't replace thinking completely. Compared to hiring freelancers, buying multiple tools, it's affordable, but only valuable if you actually use it consistently. Compared to other AI tools, MasterMind AI equals simpler, faster to use, less overwhelming, but less customizable, less powerful than premium tools. Best for beginners, affiliate marketers, faceless content creators, people stuck on consistency. Not for advanced marketers, agencies, people expecting instant income after testing it for 3 days. MasterMind AI is not revolutionary, but it is practical. It solves a real problem: getting started and staying consistent. If that's your struggle, this tool can genuinely help. Try MasterMind AI. Check link in description. If you do decide to use it, don't just test it once. Use it daily for a week. That's where you'll see the difference.